Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is accuracy and fairness in social media. It has only been about 20 years that news has been contextualized, gathered, disseminated, and consumed in four distinct media outlets: print, radio, television, and online. These media have diverse environments in terms of ways of production, distribution, and consumption, which ultimately create different professional identities and perceived credibility among audiences. The four different news media environments, though have distinct features, all share common similarities of journalism, profession. Journalism as profession is operated under hierarchical organizational settings within specific constraints and ethical standards. Due to the digital technologies of the social media or social networks platforms, journalism profession, as we know, it has entered a very different phase, hinges on the revolution of convergence. Media convergence is not just a matter of technology merging, it is an endless process with comprehensive and substantial implications on every aspect of journalism, culture, including procedures, consumers, distribution of power, and influence. As Henry Jenkins argues, convergence is both a top-down corporate-driven process and a bottom-up consumer-driven process. The main 2% of the convergence process, producers and consumers, compete to maximize their benefits and expand their control over the flow of news and information. Both have aims and motives that pull them to share the same media platforms, yet with different purposes. As Jenkins claims, new media organizations try to speed the flow of content across delivery channels to enlarge revenue opportunities, expand markets, and enhance viewer commitments. On the other hand, citizens struggle to control the flow of news and information. The two partners are trying to win the battle of autonomy, independence, power, and revenues. In this battle, citizens who are free from the journalistic routine and constraints of news media organizations have become much more active in producing and distributing news and views. At the same time, news media organizations lack the prestige, power, and influence that were once a hallmark of journalism. Audiences are universally migrating away from mainstream traditional journalism and seeking for news and content available at social media platforms. The resulting explosion of the network of mass self-communicators has led to a wealth of news and information content online. The resulting explosion of the network of mass self-communicators has led to a wealth of news and information content online that comes from outside the walls or firewalls of professional journalism organizations. Citizens of social media, not otherwise implied as journalists, find themselves with access to tools for producing, recording, and sharing text, photos, videos, audio, and other forms of content more quickly and easily than ever before. In this battle, convergence, interactivity, customization of content, and hypertextuality, along with the widespread penetration and availability of new technological tools of the trade, are redefining journalism, how it is carried out, and of course, who is in journalist. Meanwhile, it raises new ethical dilemmas. Social media, as used in this chapter, is a catch all term referring to a wide variety of web related communication platforms utilized by unprofessional and unemployed citizens who use blogs, wikis, social networking, and all other social media forms for the purpose of sharing news and views on ultimated topics. Thank you.